Now we learn how to solve or reduce the payoff matrix to the 2 cross 2 by using the dominance property. Sometimes it is not possible to reduce the 2 cross 2. We can reduce it by dominance property. A payoff matrix m cross n to 2 cross n or m cross 2. As soon as we got the 2 cross n or m cross 2, we can apply the graphical method to reduce to 2 cross 2, and by applying the algebraic method we can find out the optimal strategy and value of the game. Now we learn how to use the dominance property to reduce a payoff matrix to a 2 cross 2 or 2 cross n or m cross 2. Some properties and rules is there for the dominance. Dominance means one row dominate the other row or one column dominate the other column which is redundant, that is dominated by the others row or the other column corresponding to the row or column. Sometimes we can find out the combination of the row and combination of column which dominate the row or column. See, sometimes it is observed that one of the pure strategies of either player is always inferior to at least one of the remaining. The superior strategies are said to dominate the inferior ones. In such cases of dominance, we reduce the size of the payoff matrix, which is inferior, that is not used by the player. That strategy is not selected or in the course of action is coming for the player, but they are not choosing that the strategy, inferior strategy. How to delete payoff matrix? By deleting those strategies which are dominated by others. The general rules for dominance are. So there are the few rules here there, and how to dominate that properties is here. If all the elements of a row, say kth row, are less than or equal to the corresponding elements of any other row, say the rth row, then kth row is dominated by the rth row. Why? Because A is selecting or try to maximize its own gain. So which rows payoff matrix is greater than the corresponding to the other rows is an element to element if you compare. So if the rth row's element is greater than or equal to the kth row's element to element if we say, so since A is try to maximize his gain, that's why A not interest to selected the kth row strategy. He is basically interested to selecting the strategies in the rth row. That's why rth row dominate the kth row. That's way we can say, or we can say the kth row dominated by the rth row. In this case, we are deleting the kth row, keeping the rth row in the payoff matrix. That's why the payoff matrix reduces to one less row. If all the elements of a column, say the pth column, are greater than or equal to the corresponding element in any other column, say the qth column, then the pth column is dominated by the qth column. So this is in the case of the player B. Player B basically the minimizing player. So player B try to minimize his loss. So he don't want to increase his loss since the pth column, all the elements of the pth column are greater. So if we compare the pth column element and the pth column element. So pth column element is greater than to the corresponding element of the qth column. Since B is the minimizing player, so B never wants to increase its loss. That's why player B never want to select the pth column strategy. Try to select the qth column strategy instead of the P. That's why pth column is dominated by the qth column. So pth column, otherwise we can say qth column dominates the pth column. So we can deleting the pth column and the P of matrix reduces by the one column. Dominated row and columns may be deleted to reduce the size of the P of matrix, as the optimal strategies will remain unaffected because those row and column are not selected by the player A and B at all. They are not at all interested that particular row and column we are going to delete. So our strategies, optimal strategy and the value of the game will be unaltered. If some linear combinations of some rows dominate the ith row, so here in this case we are taking the not the linear combination, this is the convex combination. Sum of the coefficients in the combination should be 1. In some linear combinations of the sum rows dominate the ith row, then the ith row will be deleted. Similar argument also we can apply for the column domination. So this is known as the convex combination. Convex combination means sum of the coefficient will be 1. So coefficient, if we consider the two row, suppose, so combination coefficient of the combination, it may be half, it may be 1/3, 2/3. If we take the combination of the two row, which is greater than the another row, then this combination of the two row dominates that particular row. Now let us consider an example. Using the dominance property, reduce the following pair of matrix to a 2x2 matrix. This is the pair of matrix is 3 by 3. Now we have to reduce it by using the dominance property. Now we have to check solutions. First we have to check that it's saddle point or not. That means maximin is equal to minimax is exist or not. -4, -2, -3, -4, -3, -3. That means -3. In this way, 2, 6, and 5. That means 2. So there is no saddle point. This is the game problem without the saddle point. Solution. It is seen that all the elements of the second row, if we compare like that, we can start comparison column wise also, column wise. So in this case, we are checking in the row wise. This is the second row. This element -2 is less than 2, -3 is less than equal to, that means equal to -3, and 4 is less than 5. So if we compare the second row with the third row of the pair of matrix, we find out that second row corresponding element are less than from the third row element. So third row is greater than, we can say third row element is greater than equal to the corresponding element of the row 2. That we can say the third row dominates the second row. Hence, we can delete the second row. After deleting the second row, this pair of matrix reduces to the 2 cross 3. Seeing that the element of the second row either less than or equal to whatever I said that written is here. Now this is reduces to -4, 6, 3, -4, 6, 3 and 2 minus 3, 5. 2 minus 3, 5. This is our reduced pair of matrix. Now again we have to check which column to be deleted or dominated by the which column. If we observe that the third column is compared with the first column. If we compare the third column with the first column, 3 is greater than -4 and 5 is greater than 2. So each and every element of the third column greater than the corresponding element in the first column. That means we can say the third column is greater than the first column. That means first column dominate the third column. First column dominates the third column. And after deleting this third column, we will get the reduced 2 cross 2 matrix. So next the reduced pure matrix is -4, 6 and 2 minus 3. Hence deleting the third column, the above reduced matrix become player A, player B. So this is the B1, B2, and in this case this is A1, A3. This is B1, B2, third column is deleted, and in this case corresponding to the A, second column deleted. So strategy is there A1, A3 and B1, B2. Now by selecting the strategies and applying the algebraic method, we can solve it easily. What are the optimal strategies and the value of the game? Now again we are considering another example. Using the dominance property, reduce the following pair matrix to a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is an example 2. So this is the pair of matrix. This is the pair of matrix is given for the player B. There is the 3 strategies. For the player A, there is the 3 strategies. Now if we compare this third column comparison with the first column, each and every element of the third column, if we compare the elements of the first column, we see 4 is greater than 3, 2 is greater than -1 and 6 is greater than 2. So you can say each and every element of the third column is greater than, strictly in this case it is strictly greater than the corresponding element in the first column. So you can say column 1 dominates the column 3. That means the first column dominates the column 3. So you can delete the column 3 and the pair of matrix reduces to 3 cross 2. And our reduced pair of matrix will be like that. If we are deleting this, it will be like that. 3 minus 2 minus 1, 2 and 2, 2. Thus the game reduced to this. Now again we are comparing this row wise. This is 2, 2. This is 3 minus 2 and minus 1, 4. Straight away we cannot compare. This comparison we cannot do by normal way. In this case, we try to compare by the linear combination, that is we can say by the convex combination. How we can compare by using the convex combination. Now we observe that in this matrix, no row or column dominates the another row or column. However, we notice that the third row dominates a convex linear combinations of the first and the second row. So we can take the combination of this and we can dominate this. So by using the convex combination, we can use now. Half. This is half is the coefficient of the combination. I already discussed in the beginning of this lecture that sum of the coefficient, this is our the coefficient. This is 3 and minus 1. We are taking this two row for the comparison. We compare the first row and second row with the third row. So first element C13, C2 minus 1. Both of the coefficient is the half. So if we add this half plus half will be the 1. So this is 3 by 2 minus half is equal to 1, that is less than 2. And minus 2, half plus 4 into half is equal to 1, less than 2. Thus, we can delete either the first or the second row. Deleting the first one, we will get the 1. If we delete the 1, we will get, if we deleting 1, we will get the 1, 2 cross 2. So either we can, delete the first row or we can delete the second row. So we will get the 2 cross 2 pair of matrix. So if you reduce the reduced pair of matrix is this minus 1 4 and 2 2, and if we calculate our optimal strategy by using the algebraic method, we will get this our the optimal strategy 0 0 1. In this case, say B is stick to the A is stick to the third one and B have the mixed strategy. A have the strategy 0 0 1, that means player A stick to the strategy 1 and B have the mixed strategy. That means A have the pure strategy and B have the mixed strategy 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 0. So B never choose the third one and A always try to choose the third one. This is the maximum loss for the player B. So player B never try to choose this. This is the maximum loss. If the player B choose this will be the maximum loss. That means B have to pay 4, 2 and 6. Now player A, if we choose this, if on sudden player B select the strategy B, so player A have to pay the ₹2 and player A select the strategy A2 and player B select the strategy B1, then player A have to pay the 1 unit to the B. That's why player A always try to select the strategy A3. So that is the try to gain the 2 if the player B select the strategy B1 or strategy B, and player B never select this. So this is, and if we calculate, we will get the value of the game is 2. And other combination is, this is 3 minus 2 and 2. In this case also we find out the optimal strategy for the player A is the A3, and this is we are not calculated, we can easily calculate it by using the our algebraic method, what is the optimal strategy. But we can see A3 B2, we can see that the value of the game is the 2. What is here? Minus 2, 2. What is the maximum is 2. Or in this case, 3 and 2 minimum is 2. In this case, if we find out, we will get the maximin and minimax value. That is the one saddle point is exist, because in this case we will get the minus 2, in this case we will get the 2. So maximum of minus 2 and 2 is 2. In this case maximum is 3, in this case maximum is 2, so minimum is 2. So in this case minimax is 2, in this case maximin is 2. So both are the value is equal to 2. So it is respect to which column? This is layer 3. So this is our the saddle point. That means in this pair of matrix it is 2 2, but actually it is A3 B2. This is actually, this is the strategy for the player A3, and this is the strategy for the player B2, because the B3 deleted. So this is the position is the A3 B2, and what is the value in this, the saddle point is the 2. That's why 2 is the value of the game. So this is end of the game theory. If we get the chance anywhere anymore, we can explain is more elaborately then.